The debate between chance and design has captivated minds for centuries. Is our universe a product of random events or a grand design? This question touches the core of our understanding of the universe. Examining both sides reveals a rich tapestry of ideas. Philosophers ponder, scientists seek evidence. This debate has practical implications for our world and future. Exploring these viewpoints, we appreciate the cosmos' complexity and beauty. The process of evolution is often cited as a prime example of chance at work. Through natural selection and genetic mutations, species evolve to adapt to their environments. This mechanism suggests a random element in the way traits are passed down and how organisms develop. But is this process truly random, or are there underlying patterns that suggest a more orchestrated evolution? Scientists have studied the genetic codes and fossil records to trace the pathways of evolution. This research has revealed not just simplicity, but an astonishing complexity within the biological frameworks of living organisms. Such complexity raises questions about the sufficiency of chance alone to account for the intricate systems and structures that characterize life on Earth. Moreover, evolution does not occur in isolation. It interacts with various environmental and geological processes, which also appear to have their own patterns and regularities. This interdependence suggests a more complex picture, where chance interacts with other factors that might hint at an underlying order or design. Discussing the complexity of evolution leads us naturally to consider the possibility of an orchestrated universe. How do random mutations and natural selection fit into the broader context of a universe that might be following a specific design or purpose? This question not only challenges our understanding of evolution, but also invites us to think about the larger forces at play in the cosmos. The idea of an orchestrated universe proposes a deliberate design behind the universe's existence. This concept is central in many philosophical and religious traditions. Proponents point to the fine-tuning of physical constants as evidence of purposeful design. However, critics argue it could be a natural result of the laws of physics. This tension highlights the complexity of interpreting the universe's workings. Entropy, a concept from thermodynamics, is often associated with disorder and randomness. It describes the natural tendency of systems to move towards a state of increased disorder or chaos. However, even within this apparent randomness, patterns of order and structure emerge. Paradoxically, within this trend towards disorder, highly ordered systems such as living organisms have evolved. This intricate dance between randomness and order is fundamental to understanding the universe's true nature. In the mid-19th century, Charles Darwin proposed a revolutionary theory that changed our understanding of life evolution by natural selection. This idea challenged the view of a static world, suggesting a dynamic process of change. Darwin's theory rests on the observation that individuals within a population are not identical. They possess variations in their traits, some advantageous for survival and reproduction. Favorable traits are passed on, leading to gradual changes over time. This process, known as natural selection, is often described as survival of the fittest. Initially met with skepticism, Darwin's theory is now a cornerstone of modern biology. It provides a framework for understanding the diversity of life on Earth. At the heart of Darwin's theory lies the concept of variation. Variation arises through genetic mutations, random changes in DNA that can alter traits. Mutations can occur spontaneously or be induced by environmental factors. Beneficial mutations, though rare, drive evolutionary change. Over time, these changes can lead to new adaptations and species. Natural selection acts as a filtering mechanism, shaping these mutations. While genetic mutations provide the raw material for evolution, natural selection acts as the sculptor, shaping the diversity of life by favoring traits that enhance survival and reproduction. This process, often described as blind or unconscious, is a powerful force in shaping the direction of evolutionary change. Imagine a population of beetles living on a dark-colored tree trunk. Due to random genetic mutations, some beetles are born with a slightly darker coloration than others. These darker beetles are less visible to predators and therefore have a higher chance of survival and reproduction. Over time, as the darker beetles produce more offspring, the frequency of the dark coloration gene increases within the population, eventually becoming the dominant trait. This simple example illustrates the key principles of natural selection, variation, inheritance, and differential survival and reproduction. It also highlights the crucial role of the environment in shaping evolutionary outcomes. What constitutes a beneficial trait depends entirely on the specific challenges and opportunities presented by the environment. Natural selection does not have a goal or a predetermined plan. It simply favors those traits that increase an organism's fitness in its current environment. This blind process, acting over vast stretches of time, can lead to remarkable adaptations and the evolution of complex structures and behaviors. Section 4. The cumulative effect of small changes. The power of evolution lies not in grand, instantaneous transformations, but in the subtle accumulation of small changes over immense periods. Each generation might experience only minor variations, but over thousands or even millions of years, these incremental changes can lead to significant evolutionary shifts. Imagine a mountain range gradually rising over millions of years. The change in elevation each year might be imperceptible, yet over time, it results in a dramatic transformation of the landscape. Similarly, each generation in an evolving lineage might differ only slightly from its ancestors, but the cumulative effect of these small changes can be profound. This gradual nature of evolution is evident in the fossil record, which provides a glimpse into the history of life on Earth. By studying fossils, paleontologists can trace the lineages of organisms back through time, observing the gradual changes that have occurred over millions of years. These fossil records serve as a testament to the power of cumulative selection, showcasing how small incremental changes can lead to remarkable transformations. The cumulative effect of small changes underscores the role of chance in shaping the details of evolutionary history. While the overall direction of evolution might be influenced by environmental pressures, the specific mutations that arise and the precise path an evolving lineage takes are subject to the vagaries of chance events. Section 5. Chance in the tapestry of life. The interplay of chance and necessity in evolution has woven a rich and diverse tapestry of life on Earth. From the intricate designs of insects to the complex societies of primates, the living world is a testament to the power of these forces working in concert. Chance mutations provide the raw material for innovation, introducing new possibilities into the gene pool. Natural selection acts as a filter, preserving and promoting those variations that enhance survival and reproduction in a given environment. This ongoing dance between chance and necessity has resulted in the remarkable diversity and complexity of life we witness today. However, the role of chance in evolution extends beyond the molecular level. Environmental catastrophes, such as asteroid impacts or volcanic eruptions, can have profound and unpredictable effects on the course of evolution, wiping out entire lineages and creating opportunities for new ones to emerge. As we marvel at the intricacies of the natural world, it's essential to appreciate the role of chance in shaping its history and diversity. The intricate adaptations, the breathtaking beauty, and the sheer improbability of life as we know it all stem from the interplay of random events and natural processes. This realization adds a layer of wonder and humility to our understanding of the living world and our place within it. The allure of complexity. The natural world is replete with examples of awe-inspiring complexity. From the intricate machinery of the cell to the delicate balance of ecosystems, this sense of wonder has led many to propose a guiding hand, a cosmic architect. Consider the human eye, often cited as an example of irreducible complexity. This remarkable organ comprises numerous interacting parts, each essential for its function. Proponents argue such a system could not arise through random mutations alone. They posit that the eye, like a finely crafted watch, points to a watchmaker. This argument extends to the fundamental laws of physics. The precise values of physical constants appear finely tuned for life. Even slight deviations could render the universe lifeless. This fine-tuning fuels speculation about a cosmic designer. However, attributing complexity solely to design has challenges. Critics argue complexity does not necessarily imply a conscious designer. They point to self-organization, where complex patterns emerge from simple rules. The allure of complexity is undeniable, but whether it points to a cosmic architect or self-organization remains a question. The anthropic principle suggests the universe's properties are a consequence of our existence as observers, raising profound questions about our place in the cosmos. Intelligent design posits that certain natural features are best explained by an intelligent agent, but critics argue it lacks scientific rigor and stifles progress. Scientists explore deeper laws that might underlie the universe's complexity, from complex systems to quantum mechanics, seeking a unified understanding. Self-organization suggests the universe's order and complexity arise from the dynamic interplay of its fundamental constituents without external intervention. Entropy, a measure of disorder, challenges the notion of a designed universe, yet order and complexity still emerge within its constraints. Life maintains order by increasing the entropy of its surroundings, highlighting the dynamic interplay between order and disorder in the universe. The universe's expansion creates conditions for pockets of complexity, where gravity drives the formation of ordered structures amidst increasing entropy. Information counteracts entropy with life as a highly organized form of information processing, demonstrating the power of information to create order. Entropy may provide the framework within which purpose manifests, suggesting a dynamic interplay between order and disorder in the universe's grand design. Across cultures, the concept of a universe spoken into existence by a divine word reflects a belief in a purposeful creation through language and intention. Philosophical and spiritual traditions suggest a hidden order beneath apparent chaos, guiding the universe towards a larger purpose. The concepts of karma and rebirth, central to many Eastern religions, offer a unique perspective on the interplay between chance and design in the universe. These concepts suggest that our actions have consequences not just in this life, but across multiple lifetimes, weaving a tapestry of interconnectedness that transcends the boundaries of time and space. Karma, often translated as action or deed, refers to the principle of cause and effect. It suggests that every action, whether physical, mental, or verbal, creates a corresponding karmic trace, influencing the course of our future experiences. This principle implies a moral order to the universe, where our actions shape not only our own destiny, but also the fabric of reality itself. Rebirth or reincarnation further extends this concept, suggesting that the cycle of death and rebirth is not random, but rather guided by our karmic traces. Our actions in previous lives influence the circumstances of our current life, providing both opportunities and challenges for spiritual growth and evolution. The concepts of karma and rebirth offer a framework for understanding the apparent randomness of life events. While chance might play a role in the details, our karmic inheritance shapes the broader context of our experiences, providing a sense of purpose and accountability for our actions. Section 4, the Tao and the Unfolding Universe. The Tao Te Ching, a foundational text of Taoism, offers profound insights into the nature of the universe and our place within it. It presents a vision of a cosmos in constant flux, an interplay of yin and yang, of opposing forces that harmonize to create the dynamic balance of existence. Central to Taoism is the concept of Wu Wei, often translated as non-action or effortless action. This does not imply passivity, but rather an alignment with the Tao, a state of being in harmony with the natural order of the universe. It suggests that by relinquishing the need to control or manipulate, we can tap into a deeper wisdom and allow events to unfold naturally. The Tao Te Ching encourages us to embrace the paradoxical nature of reality, that from emptiness arises fullness, from stillness, movement, and from apparent chaos, a hidden order. It suggests that the universe is not a static creation, but rather an ongoing process of unfolding, a dance between chance and necessity, between the manifest and the unmanifest. The wisdom of the Tao Te Ching lies in its acceptance of the inherent mystery of existence. It invites us to relinquish the need for certainty and embrace the unknown, trusting in the underlying harmony and balance that govern the cosmos. Section 5. A Tapestry of Perspectives. As we've journeyed through the philosophical and spiritual insights into the nature of chance and design, one thing becomes abundantly clear. The human mind is endlessly fascinated by the mysteries of existence. We seek meaning, purpose, and a framework for understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. The perspectives offered by religion, philosophy, and ancient wisdom traditions provide a rich tapestry of ideas, each offering a unique lens through which to view the interplay between chance and design. Whether we find solace in the idea of a divine creator, a hidden hand guiding the universe, or the karmic consequences of our actions, these beliefs reflect our innate desire to make sense of the world around us. It's essential to remember that these perspectives are not mutually exclusive. They can coexist, complement, and even enrich one another, offering a multifaceted understanding of the complex tapestry of existence. By embracing the diversity of human thought and belief, we open ourselves to a richer, more nuanced appreciation for the mystery and wonder of the universe we inhabit. Ultimately, the question of whether chance or design prevails may remain an enigma, a question that continues to inspire debate and contemplation. The unanswerable question. Is our universe a game of chess played by a divine hand or a roll of the cosmic dice? The truth likely lies beyond a simple either-or answer. We've explored Darwinian evolution and the complexity of biological systems. We've pondered entropy and how life arises within a universe bound for equilibrium. Order can emerge from chaos and purpose can manifest within chance. The universe delights in paradox, defying neat categories. Perhaps the wonder lies in embracing the mystery and acknowledging our limits. Throughout our exploration, we've encountered a recurring theme: duality. The universe, it seems, is not a realm of absolutes, but a dance between opposing forces. Order and chaos, chance and necessity, randomness and design. These are not mutually exclusive concepts, but rather two sides of the same coin, inextricably intertwined in the fabric of reality. From the quantum fluctuations that seed the birth of stars to the delicate balance of ecosystems, duality permeates every level of existence. The intricate dance between these opposing forces drives the evolution of the cosmos, shaping the diversity of life and the emergence of complexity. Even within ourselves, we embody this duality. We are products of both our genes and our environment, shaped by the interplay of nature and nurture. We possess the capacity for both great love and profound destruction, for rational thought and irrational impulses. This inherent duality, far from being a flaw, is what makes us human, reflecting the very essence of the universe from which we arose. Perhaps the key to unraveling the mystery of chance and design lies not in choosing sides, but in recognizing the fundamental interconnectedness of these seemingly opposing forces. By embracing duality, we open ourselves to a more nuanced and holistic understanding of the universe and our place within its grand tapestry. In an age where information is readily available at our fingertips, it's tempting to seek definitive answers to life's big questions. We crave certainty, a sense of order in a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable. Yet, some questions, like the nature of the universe and the forces that govern its existence, may forever elude our grasp. The pursuit of knowledge is a noble endeavor, but it's essential to acknowledge the limits of our understanding. There may be realms of reality, dimensions of existence that our current scientific tools and intellectual frameworks are ill-equipped to grasp. To assume otherwise is to limit the infinite potential of the cosmos. Instead of clinging to the need for certainty, perhaps we can find a different kind of fulfillment in embracing the mystery. To stand in awe of the vastness of the universe, to acknowledge the intricate web of interconnectedness that binds us all, to marvel at the sheer improbability of our own existence. These are experiences that transcend the limitations of logic and reason, touching upon a deeper, more profound truth. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, has chosen to keep some secrets hidden, at least for now. Perhaps this is not a source of frustration, but rather an invitation to approach life with a sense of humility, wonder, and an insatiable curiosity that continually seeks deeper meaning and understanding. The debate between chance and design often revolves around the search for ultimate meaning. If the universe is a product of deliberate design, it implies a purpose, a grand plan within which our lives have significance. If, however, chance reigns supreme, we are left to grapple with the potentially unsettling implications of a universe devoid of inherent meaning. But what if meaning is not something to be discovered, but rather something we create? What if the true significance of our lives lies not in our cosmic origins, but in the choices we make, the connections we forge, and the impact we have on the world around us? If the universe is indeed a game of chance, then we, as conscious beings, have the extraordinary privilege of being players in this grand cosmic experiment. We have the freedom to choose our own path, to define our own values, and to create meaning in a universe that may not inherently possess it. The search for meaning, therefore, need not be a source of existential angst, but rather a driving force for living a life of purpose and intention. By embracing our agency, our capacity for love, creativity, and compassion, we can weave our own threads of meaning into the grand tapestry of existence, regardless of whether it was woven by a divine hand or the random forces of the cosmos. Ancient texts offer wisdom that transcends cultural boundaries. They speak to the depths of the human experience. The Bible's creation narratives bring order from chaos. The Quran emphasizes surrendering to a greater will. The Upanishads invite us to see interconnectedness. The Tao Te Ching encourages balance and harmony. These texts share a recognition of a transcendent reality. They remind us of the universe's profound mystery. As we conclude our exploration of chance and design, let us carry with us a sense of awe and gratitude for the extraordinary privilege of being alive in a universe as vast and mysterious as ours. Whether we find ourselves drawn to the elegance of scientific explanations or the solace of spiritual beliefs, may we approach the great unknowns with open hearts and inquisitive minds. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, has chosen to keep some secrets hidden, at least for now. But in the very act of seeking, questioning, and contemplating, we embark on a journey of self-discovery that is both humbling and profoundly enriching. For in the grand scheme of things, perhaps, it is not the answers we find, but the questions we ask that truly matter.